What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nash, and in this video I'm going to be going over the problems that come with working for a small company or mid-sized company right after you graduate from college, because that is going to be the experience that they're going to use when you're applying to a different company. How many years have you worked is going to be the work that you did after college. So I'm going to use an example that you graduate from college and you go work for a mid-sized or small company, right? Now, let's say after 5 years, you're working within your mid-sized company, you climb the corporate ladder, right? You start off as an analyst, you become an associate, you become a supervisor, you become a manager, right? So you're manager level if there's a local small company that is in your city, right? Now, you want to go to one of the big four firms, right? One of the big companies, global companies that are in your city, but they have locations in every state. They also have locations in different countries as well. Now, if you apply for the same position that you have at the small company, you apply for that position in the big company, you're not going to qualify for it most of the time. You're not going to, right? They might put you as an associate or maybe as a supervisor or maybe as an analyst sometimes. You might even go back to entry level, right? So you might even have to take a pay cut, right? If you're getting paid a lot of money here and you go to the big company, they put you at a lower position to start off. And I think this is because small companies do not have a lot of credibility when compared to a global company, right? Does that mean that the work you do is not important at a local company? No, you might even be doing more work because sometimes you have to do different things. Since it's a smaller company, you might be involved in accounting, finance, do HR stuff, do like a bunch of things that aren't specific to your job description only. Now, when you go to this global company, you're gonna have a position, and this is your job. You're not gonna have, you're not gonna be assigned to a lot of other random things that have nothing to do with you because there's enough people to do that job, right? So you kind of like focus a little more, and I think this comes down to credibility and clout, for the lack of a better term. Big companies have clout. So if we were to look at the opposite of this, right? Let's say you work at a global company, right? Now you want to go to a local mid-sized small company. Let's say you are an associate, right? Which is kind of like the second position. You start off as an analyst, you go to associate. In most global companies or big companies, you go up to associate. So let's say you are an associate. Let's say you apply for a manager position at a mid-sized small company. 9 times out of 10, you're going to be able to get that position. So this means that you're going to be able to get a higher position at a small company because coming from a big company, it's perceived value that you're working for this global company and you obviously have a lot more experience in working in a huge company. So going to a smaller company should technically be easier for you, right? So it's easier for you to get a higher position in a mid-sized company, and this is all because of perspective. Most of the time, people that work at smaller mid-sized companies, they do more work, they work hard since the company is smaller, so you might have to put on different hats, do different things. You might be working in 2 different departments at once. But if you're working for a big company, you have your job and everyone else is their job. There's no, you might have to help out in accounting and in finance, you might have to help out in operations. There's none of that. You have your job. So the biggest problem is that the experience that you have from a mid-sized company or small company does not transfer to a big company. If you are a manager here, you're not going to be a manager at the in the global company. You're not. It's not going to work like that. For the most part, at least, you're not going to be a manager. All right, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If I missed anything, if you want to add anything else to this, let me know in the comment section below. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.